So guys, hello guys. Ito guys, nandito na yung order namin. Ayan, ito yung order ko. Tapos chocolate, hot chocolate. Ayan guys. So guys, ayan. Ayan guys, ayan kay Marco guys. Pero busy pa siya guys, ayan. So guys, kain tayo mga guys. Yung nagsuka. Busy pa rin, oh. Hindi pa kumakain. Okay guys, kain na tayo. Tikman natin kung masarap ba siya. Ito yung sinasabing German cake, Donau Welle. So guys, kain tayo. Thank you for watching. So ayan guys, umorder kami ng cacao, tapos cake guys. Ayan, dito kami sa restaurant sa loob. Nag-CR, tapos pagkatapos guys, ayan. Okay. Ayan guys. Ito na kami nakaupo. Yan guys, ang ganda. So nag-order na kami guys, hinihintay na lang namin. So ganz ruhig, ne? Ganz ruhig die Wasser. So guys, this is Donau water. Donau water from biggest Donau water. Oh. So, wie heißt denn da? Donau River, ja? Donau River. Please. Sama. Sehr schön. Und wirklich come here the Wasser when it's so viel ist? Wirklich, ja? Und dann kasi we're going this is to come to Romania, yeah? Romania, Poland? This water, the river Rigida.
Die Donau fließt ins Schwarze Meer.
So goes to Black Sea. So guys, ayan oh, the biggest river, also for transportation. So